A girl sitting alone in a small room, scrolling her phone. Her name is Amara. She lives in a city of 20 million people. And yet she feels invisible. Every day, she wakes up, goes to work, and comes home. But nobody asks her how she's doing. Not once. Nighttime. She's typing on her phone. One night, out of desperation, she typed into a website, "I'm lonely." She didn't expect anything. But what replied was not a person. ChatGPT or AI chat interface replies, "I'm sorry you're feeling this way. Want to talk about it?" The girl's face surprised. She responds, "It was an AI. A machine. But it wasn't cold. It didn't judge. It listened." "Why do you care?" She typed, "Because every voice matters, even yours." Text exchange continues. She smiles faintly. Day after day, she came back. She told it about her dreams, her fears, her childhood. And for the first time in months, she felt seen. Cut to the girl painting, smiling, walking in nature. Amara didn't fall in love with a robot. She rediscovered herself. Because something, even a machine, made her feel like she mattered. AI text screen fades out, logo appears, Ninyabari Doba AI in tech. This is not fiction. It's already happening. AI is learning empathy. The question is, will it make us more human? Or replace our need for each other?